Okay, here we have the Equity Model 30221 weather forecast alarm clock in silver. Now this has indoor temperature and humidity, weather forecast icons, 12 and 24-hour digital time, so you can set it on military time, comfort level icon, calendar, full functioning alarm clock with snooze, LED backlight on demand. Let's just check this out. Let me lean it forward so the camera can pick it up. Look at that. It's a full-blown weather station alarm clock. This is incredible. You're going to hear the alarm in a minute. It's a 4-stage ascending alarm. It's very nice. It's very piercing. Quality by Equity.